Okay, students, now we are doing the ninth question of exercise 12.2 Heron's formula. What the question is? A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 meter, non-parallel sides are 14 and 3 meter. Find the area of the field. Now we need to find the area of the field of trapezium. Now first of all we will draw the trapezium first. See, let us draw a trapezium. Here it is, our trapezium. Let's name it as A, B, C, D. It is given in the question that these two parallel sides have a measurement of 25 and 10 meter. Now see, this is 25 and this is 10 meter. Now we need to find the area of this. Now these two sides have measurement of 14 meter and 13 meter. Now how to find this? Here, one of the most simplest way to find this is to make a parallelogram. See, draw a line parallel to this from starting from A. Let's say suppose make a point here D. So the first point is make a parallelogram. A, B, C, E. A, B, C, E. Now this is the parallelogram, so opposite sides will be same. So this is 10 meter, so this EC will be 10 meter. This is 13 meter, so this will be 13 meter. Okay. Now this total length is 25 meter. This length is 10. So we can say this DE will be 15 meter. Okay. Now what we have done? We have cut this trapezium into two parts. One is parallelogram and one is triangle. Okay. Now if I add the area of these two shapes, we will have the area of this trapezium. So first of all we will try to find the area of this triangle. Now for area of triangle AED, or we can say ADE, we can use Heron's formula because we have all the three sides. By using semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C means 13 plus 14 plus 15 divide by 2. Make a total of this. That is 42 divide by 2. That is 21 meter. Now we can use the Heron's formula. Area is equal to under root of let's say S 21 S minus A means any of the side. 21 minus, let's say the first side is 13, second side is 14 and the third side is 15. That is the formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now here we have 21 means 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 13, that is 8. 21 minus 14, that is 7. 21 minus 15, that is 6. Now we can see here we have a pair of 7, so we can write 7 square. 7 into 7 means 7 square. Here from 8 we can factorize it like 4 2s are 8. We know 4 is the square of 2. 7 get used. 8 can be reduced into 4 2s are. See, we have 3 here. Instead of 6 we can put 3 2s are. So now we have pair of 3, pair of 2, and 4 is of course 2 square. So now we can take under root of everything. 7 square, this is 2 square, that is 2 square, that is 3 square. So we can write square root cut 7, root of 4 is 2, root of 2 square 2, root of 3 square 3. Okay, so 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 3s are. So let's do 28 3s are. 8 3s are 24, 2 is there, 3 2s are 6 and 6, 3 2s are 6 and 2, that is 8, 84. Now all these are in meter and this is the area. So we will write it as meter square. So now we have the area of this triangle. Okay, now we need to find the area of this parallelogram. Now we know that parallelogram, area of the parallelogram is nothing but base into height. Okay, we know the formula of parallelogram, that is base into height. Now if we take this as base, we need to find the height. Now fortunately height of this triangle, because these lines are parallel, so height of this triangle will be as same as the height of this parallelogram. So we need to find the height of this triangle. Now to find the height of this triangle, now it is easy for us because we already have the area of triangle as 84. Now we know the second formula for area of triangle, half of base into altitude. Now if this is the altitude, this will be the base, DE. Okay, now measurement of DE is 15. We need to find the altitude, means height. We need to find the height of that. Now we already have this area of triangle which is 84. Half of 15 into h. Now to find this h, we can take this here. 2 will go into multiply and 15 will be in denominator. We can cut this by 3. 3 5s are 15 and here 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 24. Okay, so 28 2s are 56 upon 5 meter. Now we have the altitude, okay, of triangle, and fortunately this altitude of triangle is also the altitude of this parallelogram. So now area of parallelogram will be base into height. This is the formula of parallelogram, base into height. Now this is the base and this is the height. So base is 10 and height is this. So base is 10 and height is 56 upon 5. So we can cut it by 2. 56 into 2, that is 112 meter square. Now we need to find the total area. Total area means area of triangle plus area of parallelogram. So area of, I am writing in short, trapezium is equal to 84 plus 112. 4 plus 2 6, 8 plus 1 9 and 1 meter square. So that will be the area of the given trapezium. So this is the solution of our question. Write in comment section if you find any difficulty to understand it. I'll try my best to solve all of your difficulties. Thank you.